guess what came in the mail? My Nick Digiovanni cookbook knife drop. I'm so excited. We're gonna unbox it. Let's see. Why is this part so hard to tear? Okay. I'm really excited. My mom actually pre-ordered this for me. For Christmas. It was one of my Christmas presents. But now it's June and it's finally out. Gosh, this glue is sticky. This is not opening as well as I was thinking it would be. Wow. There's more than just a cookbook. What all is in here? This is really loud. Oh, I'm using all my strength, and I'm like really weak right now because I had a swim competition. For those of you that don't know, probably none of you do because I've never said this on my channel, and this is my second video. I do synchronized swimming. It's now called artistic swimming. Oh my gosh, the camera is so shaky because it's connected to my desk, which is shaking. So sorry about that. Sticky. Let's see, what is this? I think this is because I pre-ordered it, but I don't know. Anyways, I got a Books A Million magazine because I ordered it through Books A Million. I don't need that. $135 for wine. Claim within 30 days. Okay, so I'll give that to my parents. DoorDash. $10 off for DoorDash. I don't think I've ever used that, but okay. Ooh, 65% off HelloFresh. Interesting. And here it is. I gotta be really careful with this. Oh, there's like a return label. And here. You guys see that? Right here? Signed copy. That is beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna throw this. Here it is. Knife drop. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful sticker. Signed copy. I wonder if it's like a real signed copy or like a printed. Oh my gosh. This is genius. The knives. I'm trying to be really careful with this because this is brand new. I can't tell. I wonder if it smells like permanent marker. It smells like book. But there's like a stain here. Is that? I wonder if it's real. I'm not quite sure. That's so cool though. Oh my gosh. This is even better than just a normal cookbook. Knife drop. Oh, look at that. Huh. Contents. Kitchen basics, fundamentals, snacks and dips, breakfast, soup, sandwiches, chicken, meat, seafood, pasta, crabs. Oh, oh my gosh. I promise you I can read. Carbs. Salads and veggies, sweets and treats, recipes from my friends. Fun. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. It's Nick and Gordon, right? Yeah. Forward by Gordon Ramsay. Sweet. I'm gonna look at a few pages with you guys. Oh, this is from Gordon. Yeah, if you didn't know, this is Nick. He was on MasterChef. Knife drop. If you don't know, it's especially in his YouTube shorts. Every time he would say, let's do this, let's make this, whatever. And then he would take his knife and he would throw it onto the cutting board. He actually retired his cutting board and got a new one. Pickling. Another thing about him, he always puts pickle juice in his, like when he's, oh my gosh, what is the word? I know it. With meat. I can't think right now. When I'm editing this video, I'll probably write it in, so you're probably looking at it right now. This is so cool. I love this. Look at these QR codes. Can you see? No, you can't. Oh, yeah, you can see. Let me know, look up at my camera. Ah. Look at these pictures. The pictures are just as impressive as the book. I love when there's pictures, especially when it comes to cookbooks, because then it shows you, hey, that looks good. Because I got a cookbook for my friend for, I got a cookbook for my friend for my birthday, and it was like a kid's cookbook. Only a few of the pages had pictures. This, all of them have pictures, even for the sauces. Look at this. Thank you, Nick. Thank you so much. I love this. Yay. Bacon wrapped dates. You know what is really good? This does sound good. But you know what also is really good? And I know it's really good because I absolutely love it. Bacon wrapped shrimp. It's so good. I have been waiting for this since I heard about it. And now that I actually have it, it's amazing. Thank you, Nick, for making a cookbook. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.